I am using a light motion. You can use whatever app you like. All the sound effects I have used in this video are from the sound effects pack that you can download from the description. So I'm gonna start with whoosh. You just have to put the whoosh audio between transition or character movements, and in the pack there are many whooshes, so pick one that fits with the scene. And delete the file name if it hides the waveform of the audio. Now play it and adjust its position. I'm not using a song, but if you are, make sure to adjust the volume. And don't use the same whoosh consecutively, it sounds like the video has been edited by some gay-ass bot. Now I'm going to add build up. Usually people add build up before impacts. I'm going to add the build up here following the impact. And the speed tool doesn't work on audio. I am just telling you in advance. I know some of you must have tried doing it. The build-up audio will last until you hit the impact, and if it's too long just trim it. You can also add some real-life sounds, if the original audio is not clear. For example, here I am going to add a ground break sound, and don't fucking ask why I am adding this audio. And there are many websites from where you can add reverb in the audio. I don't have the link, just search it up on your damn browser. You can easily find it if you're literate enough. And that's all you have to do, just add sound effects like you add overlays in your edits. And if you want more sound effects, start begging every flow editor you see on your feed. And render your project in 24 FPS if you want better result. And that's all for this video.